Hey everybody, this is Sam Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape, and I was just thinking, we're in mid-December now. We've been pretty lucky. We've only had a little dusting of snow, but eventually we're going to see some snow and ice most likely. And I've got a north-facing house where I get snow that melts down off of my overhangs, especially near my front door steps, and then overnight it refreezes and I get problems with ice buildup there that's really slippery and unsafe, and I use a ice melt to keep that under control. We've got some tips of how to use the most effective and safe ice melt to keep your driveway from corroding too much, keep the compounds and the ice melt from damaging your lawn. So the first thing is, the most common ice melt is probably going to be rock salt. It's just regular sodium chloride, like table salt, and it's fine as an ice melt, but it's more corrosive on your driveway, and certainly your grass and your plants don't like sodium chloride. So some better options are magnesium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride. Those are all way less damaging to your concrete and your grass. The second thing to keep in mind is the amount that you put down. So read the label, and the manufacturers are going to recommend the amounts that are going to give you the maximum effect. A lot of people will think, well, if a little bit's good, even more must be better, and that's not necessarily true. At some point, you're going to have an amount down that's going to give you the maximum amount of ice control, and anything on top of that is just ineffective. It's not increasing the how fast the ice is going to melt, and it's just going to run off more and create more damage to your driveway and your lawn possibly. So that's the main two things. Stay away from sodium chloride, and just follow the label instructions about the amounts you put down, and you should be good to go.